When it comes to deciding between saving and operating, you're forced to choose between, do you want to save your money or do you want to use it? My name is Alejandro. I'm the CFO for Roof Squad. So we're a roofing company. We're in 4 states right now, and we are serving hundreds and thousands of clients across the US. Before Ramp, we had to compromise between yield and liquidity. The biggest problem is always having the right funds at the right place at the right time. We had to check balances in 5 to 6 different accounts, move money between them. With Ramp, I just keep it all in one place. And then I just do whatever it is I need to do. I pay the people I need to pay. I pay the cards when I need to pay. There's no delays, there's no waits. It's smooth. Every day counts. Every dollar counts. And every moment that you're not saving your money in these accounts, you're losing money. So the fact that you're able to, in one place, put it all together and have those funds earn money just by sitting there, and at the same time leverage them for your operation, that's insane. Ramp has allowed us to free up time to focus on the things that really matter, that's going to drive growth for us.